Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40N-POE-NEMA network time of day clock. This order is going out to Carl Buddig Company, which is a home meals production company, and what they aim to accomplish is that they aim to display the time of day according to the time zone via the area network. How it works is the client plugs in an Ethernet cable into the enclosure via a plug-and-play method, and afterwards the data is transferred into the unit, and users are able to switch the time zones and view the desired information via our Webpage browser interface. So now I'm going to be showcasing the functions on how this unit is meant to work. So as you can see right now, it is not connected to the Ethernet right now. This is our Ethernet cable, and it is not connected to the network right now. So we're going to do just that, and we're going to see what happens when we plug it in. So we just plug this in right here, and as you can see, it will display the time of day, which is not 12 o'clock. This is how we started up. After a few seconds have gone by, you will see it display the IP address, and from there you will see that it will display the time of day in that specific time zone. And as it is right now, it is currently 12:40 from where it is going to be ordered to. So now I'm going to be showcasing our web page user interface, in which the client can look at all the information as well as adjust the time of day to the different time zones and even switch it from 12 to 24-hour format. And you would usually need the MAC address in order to access our web page browser. So I'm going to launch the web page browser, and as you can see right here, we are currently in the home section of the web page browser. It can display from here. You can see the product information such as the time on display, which is currently 12:41. You can see the NTP server information and the network information. So I would like to showcase how you can set the time of day format from 12 to 24 hours. So first things first, we're going to go to configuration settings, which the client can set it up for themselves. So as you can see, we are currently in the configuration settings, and we are going to go to the time settings category on this web page browser. And as you can see, it is currently in the 12-hour format, as you can see by this little circle here that's already highlighted. You can also adjust the time zone from Central US DST to any other time zone, such as Alaska or Pacific or Atlantic. We're going to keep it on Central US DST. So we're going to click on this little circle right here that says 24 hours. And you can't see it right now, but now it will display the time of day in a 12 to 24-hour format. So once this time reaches 1 o'clock, it'll display 13 o'clock. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model. For its enclosure, it is a NEMA IP66 rated waterproof polycarbonate with a UL flammability rating of UL94. Its dimensions are 10 inches wide, 22 inches high, and 5 inches deep. Its display size is 4 inches that could be viewed up to a total of 200 feet. The number of digits it has is 4 digits, and it can display the time of day in a 12 to 24-hour format in any time zones at the atomic level. So in other words, it has perfect synchronization between the enclosure and the network. Its power type is a 48-volt injected through the customer's Ethernet cable, which splits the power and data internally, and it synchronizes to any NTP server, DHCP, or static IP. For mounting, we have our 4 through holes that could be located on each corner on the back of the enclosure. For accessories, we have our custom-built web page browser-based interface, which includes the time verification, the building location ID for the user to plug in to the web page, pass or fail synchronization, so it lets you know whether the enclosure had passed or failed to synchronize to the network, and it allows the user to view and program the time format, the net browser, etc. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40N-POE-NEMA network time of day plug and play clock. Thanks for watching.